New packaging from Supreme, week 12. This is my knife. 2 box logos, regular box logos. Let's take a look. Here we have it. Opinel number 8 folding knife in red. That's the brand. France. Let's take a look at this piece that we have. I am doing a giveaway on a PS5. Stay tuned for a video of how to enter to win a free PS5. I hit 4,000 subscribers recently, so doing a giveaway, giving out to a lucky subscriber. Stay tuned for that video. If you guys want to win a free PS5 for the holidays, here it is. Nice little box. Bang bang. Tell color coming out a little. This is the wood. Supreme in red. Go. Came in the white. It came in the black and this red one. Wood. Carefully open it because this is really sharp. I don't want to cut myself. Tell. Got my fingerprints ready. But here is the knife. Has a branding right there. Yeah, very, very sharp. So there's that. Let me know if you guys pick this up. Still sitting on the site. I'm gonna pick up the black one soon to complete the set. Let me know what you guys think. Subscribe for more videos. See you guys in the next one. I'm out. Peace.